Now that you have the bird cage which is suitable for this bird bath, you're going to pick out this piece right here and attach it to the top of the plastic hood. Should be really easy and simple. You're just going to click it on here like this. It will give a nice snap to it. After that, fill this tub with water. You'll notice a line right there. It's up to you, but you can fill it up to that line, but just make sure it doesn't overflow the bird bath. Now the following steps to put the bird bath into the bird cage might be a little tricky, so make sure that you pay attention. If you need to, you can always replay this clip. Now before we attach it to the bird cage, make sure that this hood is secure to the bird bath. So when you lift it up, it will not fall. First things first, you want to attach the washer or the circle-like thing in through like that. Then add this here, and finally add the top part. Now what's going to look like is in between the cage, you will have to attach it through the cage. And this can be a little bit tricky because there will be tension pull in there, but I'll show you how to do it in the next clip. So it will look like this.